Finished up the house wash in Glendale. And we came across this nice lady that really needs our services on her limestone chimney, as you guys could see. So we stopped off and asked her and gave her a really good deal in cleaning it up. And we're about to do that right now. I think Anthony already got the soap ready. He's hooking everything up. Alrighty. We'll let you guys see how it looks when we're done. MKE Property Detailing. Alright, we're all done. Anthony's packing up, and here goes that. No more dirty chimney. Clean that line. Clean that, it's Lannon stone. Clean that Lannon stone up just like new. All the way around. You guys can see what a difference a Lannon stone cleaning makes. We actually call it Lannon stone restoration. A lot of people just leave it there and they figure the brick, that's just the way it looks and there's no cleaning it, when actually we can clean it just like that. And then right up here, cleaned all the way around for this young lady right there. How you like the work?
It was great.
Thank you. MKE Property Detailing.